Welcome to Speed Mathematics class. Today we will discuss multiplication of the numbers with the series of nines, multiplication of numbers with the series of ones, multiplication of numbers with the series of similar digits in multiplier, subtraction using the rule all from 9 and last from 10. Today we are going to discuss these four topics: multiplication of numbers with the series of nines. Let's take an example. 654 multiplied by 999, or when you multiply 654 with 999, how to multiply this? Subtract 1 from 654 and put it on left side of the answer, that is 653. Then subtract each digit, that is 653, each digit 653 from 9, that is 9 minus 6, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 3. This you can see on my slide how to subtract, and you can cross verify with these slides. 654 into 999, answer is 653 346. Let's take another example. 654 into 99, multiplication of numbers with the series of nines. 654 into 99. So here multiply 654 with 100 minus 1, that is multiply 654 with 100 first, then minus 1. First multiply 654 with 100, then subtract from it 654. When you multiply 654 with 100, it becomes 65,400, and subtract 654 from 65,400, answer will be 64,746. Let's take one more example. 45 multiplied by 999, or when you multiply 45 with 999, subtract 1 from 45 and put it on the left side of the answer, that is 44. You have to prefix 45 as 045 and then subtract 1 from 045, that is 044, but value is 44. So subtract each of the digit 044 from 9, that is 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 4, 5. So when you combine left and right side answers, that is 44,955. Let's come to second type of problems, that is multiplication of numbers with the series of ones. Consider 32 into 11. We know that 32 into 11 is 352. One of the shortcut method is you have to multiply 32 into 10, then again add 32, that is 32 into 11. But instead of going for this method, we can use another simple method, speed mathematics. Okay, we'll see how to multiply 32 into 11. First we write the right hand most digit 2 of the first number as it is. So answer is 2. But it is not only 2, it is having left side some other digits. Okay, next we add 2 to the number in the left 3 and right 5. Answer is 52, but it is not complete. Again, last we write the left and most digit 3 as it is, that is answer equal to 352. So how to do this? We have to consider here mirror reflection concept. Take the extreme 2 digit as it is in the answers, that is 32. In 32, take write 2 towards right and 3 towards left, leaving some spaces in between them. Then add 2 plus 3, that is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So put 5 between 3 and 2. Answer is 352. You can also refer the slide to know more about this, how to multiply 32 into 11 or multiplication of numbers with a series of ones. Let's take one more example, 654 into 11. So in this case, first we write the right hand most digit 2 of the first number as it is. Answer is 2, but it is also having answer towards left of 2. It's not complete. Next we add 2 to 5 and write 7. Answer is 72 with the some digit towards left side. Next we add 5 to 6 and make it 11. We write down 1 and carry over 1. Answer is 172. Last we take 6 and add the 1 carried over to make it 7. Final answer is 7172, or it is 7172. When you multiply 652 with 11, the answer is 7172. Let's take one more example. 3102 multiplied by 11. We write down 2 as it is. Answer is 2 with some more digits towards left side. We add 2 to 0 and make it 2. Answer is 22 with some digits towards left side. We add 0 to 1 and make it 1. Answer is 122 with some digits towards left side. We add 1 to 3 and make it 4. Answer is 4122, or 4122 with some digits towards left side. We write first digit 3 as it is. Final answer is 34,122, or it is 34122. We take one more example. When 201432 multiplied by 111, what is the answer? Okay, we write down 2 in the unit place as it is. We move to the left and add 2 plus 3 and write 5. Next we move to the left and add 2 plus 3 plus 4 and write 9. We move to the left and add 3 plus 4 plus 1 and write 8. We move to the left and add 4 plus 1 plus 0 and write 5. We move to the left and add 1 plus 0 plus 2 and write 3. We move to the left and add 0 plus 2 and write 2. We move to the left and write the single digit 2 as it is. Final answer is 22358952. This we can extend for any digit like 4 ones or 5 ones in the multipliers. You can multiply 3 digit number or 4 digit number with series of 1, or 5 digit number with series of 1, but you need a little more practice. If you do practice, it will be very easy and a faster method. Let's move to next topic, that is multiplication of numbers with a series of similar digits in multiplier. Let's take an example. Multiply 333 by 222. Here carefully observe the logic applied, that is 332 into 222 is nothing but 332 into 2 into 111. 111 because 222 is multiplied by 111, so 666 into 111, because 333 multiplied by 2 is 666 or 666. After getting 666 into 111, we can apply the previous method and we get the answer 73,926 or 73,926. Let's move to the last topic or last type of problems, that is subtraction using the rule all from 9 and last from 10. This is used for only powers of 10 like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, etc. Let's take an example. So first number, larger number should be powers of 10. Let's take an example, 100 minus 54.36. So you can start from leftmost digit, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 that is 4, 9 minus 4 that is 5, 9 minus 3 that's equal to 6, and last digit 10, 10 minus 6 equal to 4. Start from left and subtract all from 9 and the last from 10. So this is how we can subtract a number from powers of 10 using a simple method. I hope this is very easiest and fastest method to calculate multiplications or subtractions. For more information, follow me on my blog www.speedmathskrishna.com. Thank you.